Hello there and welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to do my diabetes awareness manicure, and I'll be using these colors from Triple D and this stickle from Poshy Nail Design. So the World Health Organization declared November 14 as the World Diabetes Day. So Triple D came up with this duo, and it is called Julie's Diabetes Duo. So yeah, if you want to purchase this product, I'll be putting the link in the description box. So by the way, the finger pricking good is a glow-in-the-dark color as well and a thermal changer. So I'll be applying this color first, and I'm going to apply this on my pinky and thumb. So I'll be doing about 3 layers. So Dodie Smith, the owner of Triple D, created this dip powder duo in remembrance of our friend Julie's late husband, Tom. So Julie is also an ambassador for Triple D, and last year she lost his husband to diabetes. So I think all of the proceeds of this duo will be donated to her. So yeah, if you want to purchase this very nice cause, I'll be putting the product in the description box below, so you can also purchase this diabetes duo. So yeah, this color is really amazing because first it is thermal and it is also glow in the dark, which is really unique. And when it comes to thermal dip powders, Triple D for me is one of the best because their thermals are really amazing, and you will really see the transition or the change of color. So it is really perfect for the upcoming winter or the cold season because you will really see the nice gradient effect of the thermal dip powder. So now I am just cleaning my cuticle area with a precision tool from Triple D. So I am just going to continue applying this color, and we'll be adding 2 more layers, and I will be back. Moving on to the next color, this is called TOMMEN Friends, and this is a very nice flaky color. So it's a combination of blue, silver, black, and dark blue flakes in there. So I'll be applying these flakes in my pointer and ring finger. So I'll be doing about 2 layers of this color. So this is really super easy to apply, not unlike the other flakes and foils that I've tried. This one really lay flat on my nails, and you just have to like press it really nicely. So yeah, just make sure to use a cupcake liner so that there is something to catch those flakes whenever you dust it off, so that you can still put it back to the jar. So yeah, I'm just going to continue applying this color, and I will be back. So this is after applying the colors. So I am just going to clear and encapsulate those glitters, and after that I am now going to activate. So I'm going to use the Triple E activator. I'm just going to apply this all of my nails and then let it fully dry first before I start my filing and shaping. So this is after I did my filing and shaping. So I just did a minimal buffing, especially for those solid colors. So now I am going to apply these decals from Poshy Nail Design. It is their diabetes awareness decal. So first I'm going to start with this like heart shape decal, and we'll be applying these on my middle finger. So I'm just going to let it sit in the water first, and I'll be applying the gel base. So I'm going to apply this gel base and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So you really need something sticky underneath your decal so that it will adhere to your nail. So you can either use gel base or the Maniology sticky base coat. So after that, I am just scooping out the decal, and then we'll be using this jelly stamper to apply it on my nail. So I just put the decal in the center because later I'll be using some alcohol inks and create some nail art. And then this is after I did that. So now I am going to apply 2 more decals, one for my thumb and for my pinky. So I'm just going to do the same process that I did with my middle finger and let you guys watch, and I will be back later for the alcohol inks. Alright, moving on to some nail art. I'll be using this Smoky Diva ink from Triple D. So these are alcohol inks. So I'll be applying this on my middle finger. So I'm just going to create some like abstract design. So I actually don't have anything in particular. I am just trying to build the color and create a very nice like marble or like smoky effect. So now I'll be using J25 Smoky Diva ink. So this is the red color. So I forgot to press the record button, but I just applied the red color, same as how I did the blue one. So I'm just building up the colors, and after I did that, I am going to get some alcohol and a clean brush. So I'm just going to diffuse it, and so I just want to make the edges smooth. So I'll be applying some alcohol in there to kind of diffuse it. So this is after I did that. I just added some alcohol ink again and just played with the color, and after I achieve that nice effect, I am now going to top coat everything, and we'll be using this delicate gel, the 2-in-1 delicate gel from Triple D. So I'm going to apply this all of my nail and cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So after curing, I am just going to apply some cuticle oil, and this one is from Scales of a Mermaid. So I'm just going to apply this and I am almost done. So yeah, I am now finally done, and here is the finished look. So again, I'll be putting all the products that I use in the description box, and if you want to support this cause, make sure to purchase the Diabetes Duo from Triple D. So yeah, let me know your thoughts about this manicure in the comment box below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!